Hey everybody, welcome into this new video of TechExpress. I'm going to be showing you what this WordPress is. It's an amazing place to build a website. So this builder is going to be helping you to get started even for free if you wanted to. Don't pay absolutely anything. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can get started creating a website totally from scratch and for free. So I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description if you wanted to get started totally for free for a premium plan. If you wanted to still run the free plan, it's okay, we can just stick around with the free plan. So what I want to do is to create an account. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to close this window and I'm going to go directly into my actual dashboard. Once you create your account, it's going to be asking you to create your actual site. In my case, I have a lot of websites in here, so I'm going to go into add a new site so you can see that we can all be into the same page. It's going to be asking you to choose a domain. So here in to choose a domain, let's say for example that I wanted to create a website, a landing page for my YouTube stuff. So let's go and add here the name of my channel, which is TechExpress. Now it's going to be showing me blocks elements that I can choose. For example, this one has a free for the first year. So once again, if we are willing to work into the free version, just focus on the one that says free. Hit now into select. And now it's going to be asking you choose your flavor of WordPress. So what I can do is to choose only the free version because I want to pay. Sometimes this one has like really great plugins, but I would be showing you that later on. What are your goals? Let's say for example that I'm willing to promote myself or a business, since this is a landing page for my YouTube channel. Let's go into continue. Now I have picked a design. As you can see, I have a lot of elements that I can choose totally for free. You want to go and look out for the one that says free because we don't want to pay like a lot here. So as you can see, I do have one that attracted me, which is the LinkedIn bio. And then later on, it's going to be sending me into how it's going to be looking this website. So this is like the computer version, the iPad version, and the smartphone version. If you like what you're seeing here, let's get into continue. If you don't, you can go back and look out for something else. So once you have selected your template, you are ready to get started with your actual website. So what I want to do is to hit into launch your site. And my website is now already been live. So I can go into view my site and my website is now live to get used. So before we can get started here, let's say that I wanted to edit my actual site. So this is how we are now inside the dashboard of WordPress. As you can see, we have the stats, the inbox, post, media, pages, and much more. If you focus down here where it says plugins, you can add a lot of elements that are going to be helping you to, let's say, manage your website. But I must tell you that in order to add a plugin, you needed to have an actual subscription in order to activate those. So if you're willing to stick around with the free version only, let's focus into customize the website that we already have been created. If you go into your home section into the upper side, you can always go into edit your site. This one should be taking you into the editor side of WordPress, and here what you want to do is to add the elements that you wanted people to see. So here we have the design, right? Here you can see how the site title, the subscribe on YouTube, the listen on SoundCloud, follow my Instagram, shop my style pics, ask me a question. So what I want to do is to click into the elements that I want to edit. For example, here subscribe on YouTube. Let's say for example I'm going to change this for follow me on YouTube, and now I'm gonna delete this, and down here let's go on follow us on Instagram. So I'm gonna delete this that says follow my Instagram. Let's go into listen to our podcast, shop my style pics. Let's go for subscribe, and there we go. Now lastly, they say that I wanted to see this. I'm gonna hit now into save. And the site title, let's go for TechExpress. Now I do like what I see into the design of my website, but if you're willing to change that, you can always go into your templates, library, styles, and change this directly. So either I can choose one element, and then later on I'm going to change my URL. For example, here I'm going to go for youtube.com/TechExpress, which is our URL. So I'm going to hit this option and we're ready to go. Hit now into save, and then later on you can try it out your actual website. So I'm going to go back into my WordPress, and here as you can see, here's my site already been uploaded. So it's working. It's actually working really, really great. I can go back into my dashboard and create another WordPress, another actual website totally for free. Go back into switch side, go into add new site, and we can start totally from scratch as we just did before into the very first part of the video. This is how we can use WordPress. This is how WordPress work. Once again, if you want to check it out, plugins, marketing stuff, you needed to pay an actual basic plan in order to continue, but this is going to be for another actual video. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful video for you in order to get started here into WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more elements of WordPress. Once again, I'm truly grateful that you are here watching our videos, so you can follow us for more content. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.